N5OMK AG5ND.
Yeah, N5OMK.
I've just been test driving the radio today. I want to check out, see what the audio sounds like.
And it's top notch. Little tiny bit of white noise. I don't know if you bump your power, but other than that, the audio is fantastic.
Well, good deal. It's another one of these old Kenwood 2570As. This one's actually got the tone module in it, so I can hit a tone repeater. So, man, thanks for coming back to me and giving me that good signal report.
No problem at all. I'm glad to do it. I'm glad you reminded me that my radio was turned down. So, I'm listening to Easter Island on here. I've never actually worked them on 15 meters, but I may try. But, yeah, the CW bands are open and rocking today.
PM. Tone 110.9.
N5OMK AG5ND.
AG5ND and 5OMK. I'm sorry, I thought you were talking about the fire tower repeater. So
This particular Kenwood does have the TU-7 tone module installed in the bottom. See that little T at the top? That means tone. You want to press the tone button, and you can see it's set to 210.7, and 146.73 is our frequency. I'm going to key up this tone controlled repeater, AG5ND monitoring. You can see it keys up the repeater, makes contact, and that's good. Changing tone is easy. Push the tone button and just turn the knob. And 210.7 is what we're going to be on for this repeater. And you can save that into memory and not have to key it again. Okay, it looks like no joy today. But you can hear me. Turn the volume up. You can hear me key up the repeater, and it does go. Offset works. So it's good on tone.